Children, have you heard the chirping sounds? When you are in garden or playground, have you heard some chirping sounds coming? Yes, who make that sound? Birds. So today we are going to learn some interesting facts about the beautiful creature birds. Children, birds are the beautiful animals that can fly. Their bodies are divided into three parts: head, trunk and tail. So what are the three parts? Head, trunk and tail. They have two pairs of limbs. Birds have two pairs of limbs and they are legs and wings. So the pair of limbs that bird had are legs and wings. And birds also have legs but do not have hands. So birds do not have hands. Children, birds do not have any hands. Their wings are covered with feathers. The wings of the birds are covered with feathers. Many birds can fly. So there are number of birds that can fly, but there are still some birds who cannot fly. So many birds can fly, but there are some birds who cannot fly. You know, children, the mouth of the bird is called beak. What is the mouth called? Beak. But they do not have any teeth. Bird don't have any teeth. Okay, children? Bird itself distinguish with each other. There are different kind of birds present in our environment. Okay? And the following features which distinguish bird from another animals are feather, beak, feet and claws. So these are the features which distinguish bird from other animals. That's why they are called birds, because they are having feathers, beaks, their mouth is called beaks, their feet are different from animals and they also have claws. Children, now we are going to see the body part of a bird. So here you can see that a bird is sitting and we are going to see the body part of this bird. So can you see a eyes here? This is the eye of a bird. And this mouth, what we call a mouth of a bird? Beak. What is this? Beak. A mouth of a bird is called beak. Then the head of the bird is called head or crown. What it is called? Head or a crown. Now these are the wings of the bird. These are the wings. The feathers are also called wings. Wings or feather. Children, the stomach of the bird is called belly. What it is called? A belly. Then can you see the feet of the bird? What it is called? It is called claws. The feet of the bird is called claws. Then this is the tail of the bird. What it is? The tail of the bird. Children, now we are going to see the mouth of the bird carefully. Okay. So the mouth of the bird is called beak. You know that, right? Then the shape of the beak depends upon the type of bird. Different type of birds have different type of beaks. They also use their beaks for eating food. We use our mouth to take food, yes. So birds also take their food from their beak, from their mouth. And they also use their beaks to build nest. What they do? They use their beaks because they don't have hands. They don't have hands. So they use their beaks to build their nest. They use what? Their beaks, mouth only. And they clean their feathers and smoothen their feathers with the help of beaks only. Okay, children? They smooth their wings and feathers with the help of their beaks. It is called preening. This is called preening. When they clean their feathers with the help of beaks, it is called preening. Children, here can you see different type of birds having different type of beaks? See, this is the beak of eagle. A eagle has this kind of beak, right? A parrot has this kind of beak, this kind of mouth. Then a duck have a long beak. Can you see that? Their beaks are really different from each other. A sparrow has small beaks. Can you see that? And there is a very different beak of a hummingbird. So children, different kinds of birds have different kinds of beaks. Now children, we are going to see some interesting facts about the feet of the bird. So like us, they also have 2 feet. They have 2 feet. They have 4 toes for walking, hopping and picking up things. They don't have hands, so they pick up things by the help of the their feet. So they catch and hold food for them by the help of their feet. Okay children, different type of birds have different kind of feet. So here you can see that there are different type of feet. Like this is the feet of a woodpecker. This is the feet of a duck. This is a vulture's feet. This is a sparrow feet, a small sparrow feet. This is the feet of a crane. So different type of birds have different kinds of feet. Now children, we are going to see something about wings and feathers of the birds. So you know that birds have wings and feathers, and with the help of that only they can fly. They have the capability to fly. So birds have different type of feathers, and they also have different kind of shape, size and color of their feathers, and the wings only help them to fly. You know that children, that wings only help them to fly. So there are 3 kind of feathers in a bird's body. Okay children, there are 3 kind of feathers on a bird's body, that is the down feather, body feather and a flight feather. So what are the 3 kinds? The down feather, the body feather and the flight feather. So a bird has 3 kind of feathers in their body. Children, when I have started this topic, I told you something about chirps. So what is this? This is the sound of the birds. The sound of the birds is called chirping. So children, the bird makes some special sounds to call their mates, and we can identify the birds with this sound. So different type of birds have different kind of sound, and we identify them by hearing their sound. So children, you know that parrot is a special bird who can copy human sounds. Have you heard the parrot? Have you heard them? Yes, they can almost copy the human sounds. Whatever you say to a parrot, they will repeat that word, right? So almost parrot can speak like us, and same as that, different kind of birds have different kind of sounds. They make different kind of sounds like manna, skylark, cuckoo and nightingale. These are the birds which make sweet sound. So these are the birds which make sweet sound. What are the birds? Manna, skylark, cuckoo and nightingale. They make sweet sounds. Children, have you seen the home of the bird? Yes, it is called a nest. So the home of the bird is called a nest. And why they make their house? To live in that. As we live in our house, they also have a house called nest, and they live in that house to lay eggs and to raise their young ones. What they do? They lay their eggs in the nest and they raise their young ones. Okay children? The baby bird is called chick. What is the baby bird called? A chick. So it stays in a net till they get old enough to fly. So they stay in the nest only unless they learn to fly or they grow up so they can fly. So they stay in the nest only. Then when they become and when they grow old, they leave their nest and they fly off. Children, Bird use different kind of straws, fibers, cotton, paper, etc. to make their nest. They hold these things in their beaks, and with the help of their beaks and their feet they make their nest. And the mother birds lay eggs in the nest. What they do? They lay eggs in the nest. They take care of their eggs and they keep them warm till they get ready to hatch it. Okay children? They take care of their eggs and they keep it warm till they are ready to hatch. Different type of birds build different type of nests. Here you can see that there are different type of nest. Weaver's nest, crow nest and hen sitting on an egg. Can you see that children in this image? Can you see that? There are different type of nest. So, nests are the home of the birds.